What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to do screen record on laptop. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps. So let's get right into the video. Once you have opened up in your browser, search for OBS Studio. I'm just showing you the options that you can use to record your screen. And here, if you download OBS Studio, you'll be able to screen record on your laptop or PC. Then there's another application called CapCut. And here you can download it too. And again, there is Camtasia. This is the one I am currently using, Camtasia. And there's another one called Free Snipping Tool. And this one. I have downloaded Free Snipping Tool and Camtasia in my laptop, and I use this, and I use Free Snipping Tool and the Camtasia that I'm currently using. And with Camtasia you'll get a Camtasia recorder also that will allow you to record your screen. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.